Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something every Roblox player wants. Free Robux, but done the right way. No sketchy generators, no shady hacks, and no fake giveaways. These are real, safe, and Roblox-approved ways to earn Robux without risking your account. Now, I know a lot of players still fall for those free Robux sites that promise instant rewards. Don't do it. They're fake. They steal your login info, and they can even get your account banned. The truth is, there are legit ways to earn Robux, but you have to know where to look and be willing to put in a little time or creativity. The best part? Roblox itself gives you safe opportunities through certain in-game experiences made by the community. Two of the most popular ones are Starving Artists and Please Donate. These games reward players for creativity, generosity, and community engagement, and they've become the go-to spots for earning Robux safely. Let's start with Starving Artists. This game lets you create digital art and sell it directly to other players. You paint something on your canvas. It could be fan art, memes, logos, or just something cool, and then you set a price using a game pass. When someone likes your work, they can buy it using their own Robux, and you'll receive a payout after Roblox's standard processing time. It's a fun way to be creative and actually earn something from your imagination. You don't have to be a pro artist. Even funny or simple drawings can sell if they catch attention. Here's a tip. Be active. Stay near your booth, chat with people, compliment others' art, and show off your own. People tend to support creators they connect with, so being friendly and social really helps. Now let's move on to Please Donate. This one is super straightforward. You set up a donation booth, and other players can choose to give you Robux directly. It's like having a virtual tip jar. Players donate for many reasons. Maybe they like your booth, your message, or just want to be generous. You can even customize your stand with signs and text to make it unique and stand out. Some people write fun or creative messages like, "Saving for my dream avatar," or "Every donation gets a thank you shout out." It's all about presentation. If your booth is interesting and positive, people are more likely to stop and help out. The reason these methods are completely safe is because they work within Roblox's own system. You're not leaving the platform or entering your password anywhere else. All transactions go through Roblox's Verified marketplace system. So unlike fake websites that claim to generate Robux, these methods are totally legitimate. You're earning Robux the same way many creators do, by being part of the Roblox community and offering something creative or entertaining. Here are a few extra tips to help you succeed. Be active in the games you're using. Keep your booth or art updated often. Use eye-catching titles or colorful displays. Interact with other players. Being social helps people notice you. You can also join communities or Discord servers related to Please Donate or Starving Artists. They sometimes host events where players gift or showcase others' work, which can really boost your visibility. Remember, earning Robux this way takes a bit of time. You might not get results right away, but stay patient. If you keep showing up and putting in effort, people will start recognizing your booth or your art. And that's the beauty of it. You're not just earning Robux, you're building creativity, confidence, and a reputation in the Roblox community. That's something no generator or hack can ever give you. So yeah, those are the legit ways to get Robux safely. No scams, no tricks, and no risk to your account. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another Roblox tip. And remember, the best Robux is the one you earn the right way. Stay creative, stay safe, and I'll see you all in the next video.